Hey guys, it's your girl YvonneLove. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And in today's video, we're gonna be learning Swedish with me. And I'm gonna be translating some words. And yeah, let's get started to the video. But wait. If you haven't already, subscribe, like, share, and comment. Do all those stuff. In 5 seconds. I'm gonna count for you guys. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. If you guys have subscribed already, good job. Good job. I want you guys to get me to hit 100 subscribers. Please, let me get there. All you guys have to do is smash that subscribe button. It's pretty simple, this. Boop. And you guys have done it. It's pretty simple. Comment down below if you guys can like and subscribe at the same time. That's your guys' clue today. Yeah, so let's get started. Fin is pretty. I repeat it again. Fin is pretty. Du is you. I repeat it again. Du is you. Backpack, väska, shoes, skor, clothes, kläder, pappa, daddy, sister, mommy, mamma, hjärta, heart. And yeah, that's all for today's video. Comment down below if you want me to do some more learning Swedish. Bye!